What is happening, folks? This is Eli with EA's Tutorials, and today I actually want to show you how to add a calendar into a sheet cell in Google Sheets. It's a pretty easy thing to do, and if you need to record a different day depending on the kind of work that you're doing and you want to confirm it, you could actually, it's a pretty easy process, and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is go to sheets.google.com, that's the website where you're going to go into work in your sheets, of course. And I'm going to open an old tutorial that I've worked on just for the sake of the presentation here. It's your standard little, I would say standard sheet. And you have data here, and you just, you want to put some information here. You want to put a calendar. Let's just say you want to put date here, and you want to put a calendar here so you want to like check this stock, and you check the stock, and you want to make sure that you basically sign in or whatever and put in the date. So in this case, you can put in, just literally click on the cell and then click on data. This is going to show me some new things. I don't need to know that already, but you want to go into data validation. So you want to make sure you click on the cell that you want to work on. You got to click on data, and then you want to go to data validation. As you can see, it just comes up with a few things here that you could work on. But most importantly, if you want to do it just in this sheet, I'm going to show you how to do the other sheets. Like if you want to do like a whole line of sheets, I'll show you how to do that as well. But for the sake of this video, I just want to show you that all you have to do is make sure the sheet is selected here, which is E3 right here, E3, and you want to make sure that you check. If you're looking for the date, just check the date, and that's it. Then the next thing you do is just hit save. And that should be pretty much it. You can double click here and it'll show you a date, and it'll date stamp it for you. And if you want to do it for this whole line of sheets here, let's just say you want to go under this like light blue, aqua blue here, and you want to go, you want to be able to do the same thing for each line over here, you could do the same thing. You go to data, and the next thing you'll do is go to data validation. Instead of list, you want to check literally date and save it, and the same thing applies here. You want to put a different date, you can put a different month, you can put a different thing here, and it'll stamp it in there for you. So if you're working on a project and you have to enter this data and you don't want to type it in, this is a great way of doing it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, make sure to follow us here and like this video. We're going to have a lot more videos regarding this topic. Signing off, this is Eli. Take care, folks.